Full disclosure, this massage gun was sent to me for evaluation purposes. My opinions are my own. Whoa! Oh my gosh, right here we have the TOLOCO TOM63 massage gun. Nice massage gun that has a beautiful carbon fiber look to it. 10 massage head, 4-hour battery life. A massage gun with a nice carrying case. 3200 RPM, super quiet. TOM63. Box looks beautiful and nice. We got a lot of good specs right there. 4 hours of battery life on this baby. Boom, boom, boom. The massage gun. Nice case. The case has a nice design. It's like a badge of honor. Looks good. Nice handle here. Double zipper. Da-da-da. User manual. The carbon fiber looks sick. Look at the design. Very cool. The handle is very smooth. Good grip. Feels smooth at the same time. Look at the display back here. Futuristic display. There's the AC adapter right here. This thing plugs into the massage gun to charge up. This is the round head. Perfect and suitable for the thighs, calves, and back. The fork is suitable for neck and spine and Achilles tendon. The flat head, suitable for all body parts. The bullet head is suitable for local pain point. The shovel head is suitable for abdominal muscles and the lower back. The Y head is suitable for arm and leg muscle because it's the Y shape. Oh, I like this. The convex head is suitable for quads and glutes. The elbow head. This is suitable for the palm and the sore massage. The wedge head is suitable for large muscles around the legs, chest, and back. This is the claw head. It's suitable for small muscles and shoulder. Let's attach the Y head to the massage gun. On, off at the bottom right here. Switch to on. The nice light right here indicating that it's on. Hitting the power button, shall we? It's working already. Oh yeah, look at that motion. Ah, nice. Simple, easy to use. This is the Y head right here. Perfect for massaging arms and legs. Perfect, perfect. The Y head. Nice display right here. It has a runtime, has a speed. You can increase the speed like that. Boom. Speed 2, speed 3, speed 4. Really fast right now. This goes up to 3200 RPM. This has a 4-hour battery life. The display back here looks very nice. When you need to charge this, all you gotta do is make sure you turn this baby off, plug in right here, and then plug this into a wall to charge your massage gun. Very simple, very cool. This is the TOM63 TOLOCO massage gun. Nice, fast massage gun. Very comfortable, very solid, very quiet massage gun right here. This is the TOLOCO TOM63 massage gun. Oh yeah!